Hi, I want to tell you about our exciting Step Away event that is going to be held this September. The goal of the event is to add to your toolbox a process to reproduce creativity, accelerate your creativity, and give you a chance for ideation with cool folks. We'll be in an actual Lego store playing with the idea deck, looking at action first learning, and working on your skills to make your game design, instructional design, content design exciting and engaging. We're going to use the Lego Serious Play methodology with Kevin Thorne, and we're going to play the Serious Games Idea Deck with Deborah Thomas. Here are our facilitators. As I said, Kevin Thorne, Deborah Thomas, and myself, Carl Kopp. We are going to be there for the entire process, helping you to become a killer game designer. You know, if you look at Bartle's player types, maybe more of an achiever in game development. We're going to be, as I said, inside a brick and minifig store in Hernando, Mississippi, and it's the heart of the North Mississippi Delta region. We're going to be playing the idea deck where you're going to look at types of learning, elements, and we're going to see how this process helps you create your own excellent game design ideas. Why attend? Because you're going to get insights, inspiration, ideas, innovation, and possible certification to repeat this experience with your own group. Very exciting stuff. Here are the dates. It's Tuesday, September 16th. We'll have a reception. You'll get a goodie bag that includes maybe a deck of cards, definitely a deck of cards, an action first learning book, and probably some Legos. Then on Wednesday, we'll deal out the idea deck and we'll go through that process and we'll immerse ourselves in Lego Serious Play. All meals included. Thursday, game design again, more Lego Serious Play, more idea deck, again, all meals included. And then Friday, it's a special add-on day. You can get certified to run idea deck experiences for your own group, internally or even externally. And Saturday, a special behind the scenes VIP Graceland Tour. That is something not to be missed. The jungle room itself is worth seeing. So, hope you can join us. Save the date in September. Here are the prices. $18.50 for the 3-day event, another $7.99 to add on, and then if you come to Graceland, $3.50 to the Elvis Estate. We hope you can join us for this exciting, inspirational event. We're so thrilled to have so many of you already signed up and hoping to get many more.